Time for the Daily Spin. There were some great characters in the lores of jazz music, but sometimes those characters clashed. That was the case with the famous saxophonist Charlie Bird Parker and his sometime friend, sometimes nemesis bassist Charlie Mingus. Mingus was conflicted and sometimes disgusted by Parker's self-destructive habits and the romanticized lure of drug addiction they offered to other jazz musicians. Why am I telling you this? Because I talked in depth about a specific night on stage that could have turned deadly during the interesting side note for episode 17. That's when I featured this compilation record filled with music from some of the best known names in jazz. Check out Volume 17, Modern Jazz Hall of Fame. The link is in the caption. Give it a spin.